Ito na, nangangalap na sila ng complainant para sa kanilang ihahaing impeachment complaint laban sa ating mahal na VP Sara Duterte. Panoorin natin.
Section, ito po yung mga complainants natin, ang typical ng verified complaint, at nandito po yung resolution of endorsement mula sa Akbayan Party. Sana po sa pamamagitan ng complaint na ito, maisara na natin yung bangungot na dulot ng ating pong Vice President sa taong bayan. Maisara na ng taong bayan ang bangungot na dulot ni Sara.
At 4:30 p.m. today, the Office of the Secretary General received an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, filed by civil society groups. The House of Representatives is constitutionally mandated to act on any impeachment complaint filed in accordance with the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Pursuant to the Constitution, a verified complaint for impeachment may be filed by any member of the House of Representatives or by any citizen upon a resolution of endorsement by any member thereof. It is crucial to underscore that addressing an impeachment complaint is not a discretionary act for the House of Representatives, but a constitutional obligation. The Constitution prescribes clear steps to ensure fairness and adherence to the rule of law. Impeachment proceedings are vital to preserve the integrity of the institution and affirming the principle that public officials are accountable to the people they serve. Accordingly, the House of Representatives will proceed with its duties on this matter, strictly adhering to the Constitution, its rules, the principles of due process. The House of Representatives remains committed to conducting the proceedings with transparency, impartiality, and full respect for the rule of law. The constitutional mandate is a vital function of Congress in maintaining public trust in government institutions. We call on all parties to allow the legal process to take its course, ensuring that truth and justice will prevail. Thank you.